Ever feel like managing money is a mystery? Well, today we are breaking it down in simple terms as we take a deep dive into the 13 laws of money for financial success. These are like the golden rules that when you get them right, it paves the way for financial success. The law of earn more than you spend. Make sure your income exceeds your expenses. Make sure you bring in more money than you use for things like bills and purchases. It's about keeping a balance so you have enough to save and to invest for the future. This helps you avoid debt and build a financial cushion. Think of it like having more money coming in than going out, so you can save for goals and handle unexpected expenses without having to think of money running out. It's like having a financial safety net. When your income is consistently higher than your spendings, you create room for more investment opportunities and handle any surprises that life may throw your way. Essentially, it's all about building a safety and stable foundation for your financial well-being. The next point is the law of save and invest. Set aside a portion of your earnings for the future. Saving is like putting money in a piggy bank, while investing is like using that money to make more money, such as buying stocks or properties. It's a way to grow your wealth over time. When you save, you're holding on to money for short-term needs or emergencies. Investing, on the other hand, involves putting your money into things that can potentially earn more money over the long term. Helping your wealth to grow beyond just savings, it's like planting seeds now to reap a bigger harvest later. So saving is like having a rainy day fund, while investing is like planting seeds for a future financial garden. The goal is to strike a balance between the two. Save for immediate needs and investing for long-term growth to build a robust financial foundation and make your money work for you over time. The law of diversify, which is diversification. Spread your investment to reduce risk. Spread your investment is like having different types of plants in a garden. This way, if one doesn't do well, the others can make up for it. It's a strategy to lower the risk of losing all your money at once. Imagine your money as a seed, and each type of investment is a different plot in your financial garden. Diversifying is like planting some seed in stocks, some in bonds, and maybe a few in real estate. If one plot has a tough season, the others may thrive, helping your overall financial garden to stay green and healthy. The next point is the law of learning. Take the time to learn about money and how it works. It's like understanding the rules of a game before you play. By gaining financial knowledge, you can make smarter decisions about earnings, savings, and investing, which ultimately helps you win the game of managing your money. It's a bit like having a guidebook for your financial journey. Educating yourself about money allows you to navigate through various choices, avoid common pitfalls, and make informed decisions. Think of it as having a map to help you reach your financial goals with fewer wrong turns along the way. And to the next point, the law of budgeting. Keep track of your spendings and stick to a financial plan. It's about deciding how much to spend on different things like bills, groceries, and fun stuff. By keeping track of your spending, you can make sure you are not using more money than you have and stay on track with your financial goals. It's like having a roadmap for your spending so you don't get lost in unnecessary expenses. Imagine your money is a limited supply of fuel, and budgeting is like planning the best route for a road trip. It helps you allocate your resources wisely, ensuring you have enough to reach your destination, that is your financial goals, without running out of gas along the way. It's essentially a practical tool to keep your financial journey smooth and efficient. The law of emergency fund. Have savings for unexpected expenses. Having a financial safety cushion is money set aside for unexpected things like a sudden car repair or medical expenses. Having an emergency fund is a bit like having a spare tire in your car. You might not need it every day, but it is there to help when unexpected bumps in the road come your way. So if life throws a surprise expense at you, the emergency fund acts like a superhero, ready to rescue your budget. It prevents you from having to scramble or go into debt when unexpected situations pop up, ensuring you can handle the bumps without derailing your financial journey. And to the next, which is the law of value. In business or work, providing something valuable or useful to others to earn money is very important. It is like offering a product or service that genuinely help people or solve a problem. By doing this, you not only earn money but also build trust and loyalty, creating a win-win situation where both you and others benefit. It's a bit like planting seed of goodwill in your professional garden to cultivate long-term success. Think of it as being a helpful gardener in your community. By offering something people truly need or enjoy, you not only harvest a crop of income, but also cultivate a positive reputation. Just as a well-tended plant will thrive, providing genuine value helps your professional garden flourish, making it a place others want to visit again and again. The law of compound interest. The power of compounding is your money making more money over time. It's not just growing on its own, but also earning extra based on what is already earned. Imagine it as a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger as it picks up more snow. Your money grows and the growth itself starts adding up. It's a way to make your financial snowball gain momentum. So let's say you have a pile of snow, your initial capital for instance, on a hill. As it starts rolling down, it not only gets bigger, but collects more snow along the way. That is the interest on your initial investment. Compound interest is like that growing snowball where your money earns interest, and that interest keeps earning more interest, creating a larger and larger financial snowball as time goes on. It's a powerful force for growing your wealth over the long term. The law of mindful spending. Be cautious of your purchases and prioritize needs over wants. It's like asking yourself if you really need something before buying it. By being mindful, you focus on what's necessary and valuable, avoiding unnecessary expenses. It's a bit like tending to your financial garden with care, ensuring that every seed, that is every dollar you plant, grows into something meaningful. It's like having a well-tended garden where you not only plant seed that will bloom into beautiful flowers or useful vegetables. Mindful spending helps you avoid planting seeds that won't grow well, preventing wasteful spendings on things that doesn't add value to your life. By nurturing your financial garden with intention, you ensure a more fruitful and fulfilling harvest in the long run. The next is the law of setting goals. Define short-term and long-term financial goals to guide your actions. It means deciding what you want to achieve, whether it's a variety of flowers, tasty vegetables, or a mix of both. Similarly, in finance, setting goals helps you define what you want to accomplish with your money. It's like planting specific seed to grow the kind of financial garden that aligns with your dreams or aspiration. Just as a gardener might aim to have a colorful and diverse garden, setting financial goals allows you to envision the future you want. It's like planting seeds of intention. Each goal represents a specific plant in your garden. By nurturing these goals, you guide the growth of your financial garden, ensuring that it becomes a vibrant and fulfilling landscape that aligns with your vision for the future. The law of network. Building a strong professional network connections can open up new opportunities, just as sharing tips with fellow gardeners can lead to new opportunities or insights. Networking in finance creates a community where you can exchange ideas, learn from others, and potentially discover new paths for financial success. It's like tending to your career garden by cultivating relationships that can help it thrive. Imagine your career garden is a community garden, and networking is like talking to other gardeners who might share their secrets for growing robust plants. By connecting with people in your garden or in your industry, you create a support system where you can learn from each other's experiences, share valuable insights, and maybe even discover new opportunities in your professional field. The law of patience. Financial success often takes time. Stay patient and persistent in your effort. It's like waiting for your garden to bloom. It means understanding that financial success takes time, just as you wouldn't expect flowers to grow overnight. Being patient in finance is about giving your investment and plans the time they need to grow and yield results. It's like tending to your financial garden with the understanding that good things come to those who wait and nurture their seed with care. It's similar to watching your plant grow from tiny seed to full blooms. Being patient in finance means resisting the urge to rush or panic during market fluctuations. Instead, it's about trusting the process, like allowing your investment to develop and giving your financial garden the time it needs to flourish. Patience is like the sunshine and rain that nurture your financial plants, helping them to reach their full potential over time. Now to the law of review and adjust. There is a law called review and adjust, and that is to regularly assess your financial situation and adjust to your strategy accordingly. It's like regularly checking your garden and tweaking your care routine. It means taking a close look at your finance, seeing what's working and what isn't, and making adjustments accordingly. Just like a gardener might change watering habits or relocate plants for better growth. Reviewing and adjusting in finance ensure that your money management strategy stays effective and aligned with your goals. It's about fine-tuning your financial garden to promote continuous growth. Think of it as periodically walking through your garden, observing which plants need more attention or sunlight. In finance, reviewing and adjusting involves looking at your budget, investment, and goals. If something isn't blooming as expected, you might shift your strategy, perhaps allocating more funds or saving or adjusting your investment mix. Understanding and applying these laws of money is like tending to a garden. It takes time, it takes care, and a bit of patience. Whether you're planting the seed of savings or navigating the seasons of investment, these principles are your guide. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, happy cultivating in your financial garden.